from TeachingGadget. Here's a short explanation for how to add class codes to your specific school's account. Firstly, go into teachinggadget.com and log in with your Universal Schools login, username and password by pressing this. Then once you're inside the website and when you're logged in, you'll see a black bar that will appear along the top. If you then press Edit Profile, you'll be prompted before this page to add the secure password that you will have had on your sign up welcome to TeachingGadget email that you'll get. So once you've put that password in, you can then access the settings page. Then in here you can update things such as your email and everything else. Then when you go down right to the very bottom, you'll see class names, which is the field for our class codes. I'll just expand this a little bit. So on my account here, you can see that I've got all of my class codes in as such. I've also added this sentence for click here to choose your class, and this will stop your students from leaving this section blank. So if they complete the game and then press submit, rather than going to the default first class that's in your list, it'll automatically be highlighted on this, and then it won't actually let your students submit, so it'll force them to select their specific class, and that'll keep you tracking neat. So if you wanted to go in and update this, you could just simply edit as such, so you can just grab that and you could write a new one in, and then right at the very bottom of the page it'll say update profile, and then you're done. So dead simple, really straightforward. So again, it's just in the edit profile at the top, and then once you're in this page, you can, and you've put the password in, you can access the settings page, and then you can go down right to the very bottom, and then you can expand that by dragging that down, and then you can just either copy and paste in or type in your class codes. Another thing I've seen some users do is allow every class to have two different class codes. So you could call this, for example, hypothetically, classwork 7A1, and then you could copy and paste that, and then you could call it homework, so that each teaching group have two or more, depending on what data you want to analyse. So it could be keeping a check on students doing work from home, or it might be proportion and you're tracking to show evidence of theory work going on in lessons. So that's another little tip. But certainly add a sentence in at the start here to say click here to choose your class, or something similar that'll force the students to actually put in their own teaching group when they submit work. Okay, and bye for now.